Garlic, ginger and lemon. A recipe that treats infections and unclogs arteries. Garlic, ginger, and lemon are commonly used in traditional medicine and various culinary traditions for their potential health benefits. Here's a brief overview of their potential effects. Garlic. Garlic contains compounds such as allicin, which has been associated with antimicrobial properties, meaning it may help fight infections caused by bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Some studies suggest that garlic may also have beneficial effects on cholesterol levels and cardiovascular health by helping to reduce blood pressure and improve circulation. Ginger. Ginger contains bioactive compounds like gingerol, which have been studied for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Ginger has been used traditionally to aid digestion, reduce nausea, and alleviate symptoms of respiratory infections. Some research suggests that ginger may also have potential benefits for cardiovascular health by reducing cholesterol levels and improving blood flow. Lemon. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps support the immune system and may protect against oxidative stress. Lemon juice is commonly used to help relieve sore throats and cold symptoms. Some studies suggest that the flavonoids found in lemons may also have potential cardiovascular benefits by improving heart health. Recipe for a garlic, ginger, and lemon infusion. Ingredients: 4 cloves of garlic, peeled and crushed. 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, peeled and sliced. Juice of 1 fresh lemon. 2 cups of water. Instructions. In a small saucepan, bring the water to a boil. Add the crushed garlic and sliced ginger to the boiling water. Reduce the heat to a simmer and let the mixture cook for about 10 minutes. Turn off the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Add the fresh lemon juice to the mixture and stir well. Strain the infusion to remove the garlic and ginger pieces. Pour the liquid into a mug and drink it warm. Again, please remember that this mixture is not a substitute for medical treatment. If you have any health concerns or medical conditions, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional for appropriate advice and treatment.